This is an unboxing of my BladeRunnerSystems Premium Alpha Beast. So this is the box it came in. It's the orange box. It's pretty cool. I'm going to use this Kershaw to open it. Pretty great knife. Let's see. Yeah. I guess this is a receipt, and this is the famous BladeRunnerSystems box. It's one of my favorite boxes to see, so let's just open this up. Oh, baby. That looks gorgeous. Ooh, they gave me 2 BladeRunnerSystems cards, which is a great bonus. Kind of have a collection of those now. 4, as I would think. Let's see, slowly opening. Oh, it's blue. Love the blue. This looks amazing. I just love that shine. Look at that. That lockup. It's just, I'm gonna open it slowly because dramatic effect. Look at that. The blue Alpha Beast. Famous T-latch. Of course, it's razor sharp. Absolutely no play, not even a little wiggle. And it's pretty smooth. Might need to be a little tuned, but that's just alright. Now I love how they got rid of my main problem with the Alpha Beast is they actually crowned the spine this time. Usually it's really rough and, you know, it's killer on your hands when you're chaplaining and doing a lot of ricochets. Almost dropped it. Just finally got it. Beautiful. Love that blue. And of course it just shines. That edge. It's the BladeRunnerSystems Alpha Beast. Premium, of course. Gotta have the best. The pocket clip. And that crown spine with that anodizing. More videos to come.